Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy's Popeye. Amelia is taking a nap. We are the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Today has been a challenging day for us. We made every effort to get out and go fly. So much so that we went up to the airfield. It was beautiful and sunny and 55 degrees, which is crazy for this time of the year. But we were going to take advantage of it. I had 3 things charged. Oh, I was excited. We were about a minute away from the airfield and clouds just rolled in out of nowhere. We even brought Popeye with us. Oh, we were ready to just have some fun. And it got windy and just dark out of nowhere. So anyway, that didn't happen, and we had to fall back on our contingency plan of another little, this is still fun, just not what we were hoping for, just a nice little JJRC foldable phone flown drone. So that's what we're gonna do on today's video. It's been crazy weather. I don't know about you guys, but for us, we're gonna hit some record lows for like 25 years. So for the next couple days, we're gonna do our best to bunker down and burn the wood in the fireplace. It is gonna be very interesting with a little 3-month-old. I hope we don't lose power or pipes burst or anything. So cross your fingers for us. Let's ride this out. Well, if we still have power, we'll be bringing you guys RC videos. So what we're gonna do today is just take a quick look at what comes in the box of this little thing. Very simple setup. You'll need some kind of a smart device to fly this because it doesn't come with a transmitter, but this has not been on our channel yet, though similar things have been. Let's take a closer look at it, then we'll fly it for you. Oh, he's having a good time. You guys know me, I do have a weakness for cases. Once this little drone folds up, Abby sighs, she hates it. I love cases. I love putting things in cases. I like storing them in cases.
And never getting them out of the case.
Oh, you hush. So this is nice because it fits in there. That can go in your pocket. It's not going to get damaged. Just, you know, if something falls on it, that's actually a hard plastic, but it's still pliable, and I like that a lot. There's just enough room in there to put the drone and maybe the charger. Charger is simple, just a little USB to. I really don't like this type of connector. I hope they're doing away with those soon because they're just kind of finicky sometimes. And this is the drone. Unfold the arms, little brushed motors. The good thing about this is there's no gears. It's directly driven. The prop is on the motor shaft there. The downside is that this is an internal battery. Right, so you cannot just pop the battery out and put a fresh one in. This is only going to be good for, I don't know, 200 or 300 flights if you're lucky and you don't really burn up the motors. We do get spare props, this little lanyard thing, little wristband thing that goes on the bag if you want to wear that around your wrist, and then an instruction manual. There's a box that comes with it, but that's the setup. You'll need some kind of a phone to fly this. This is just an iPhone 6. Got it for a really, really good deal, so I've been using it to fly drones. So let's fly it. I'm doing a screen recording for you guys. This does have a camera. You can see Popeye there, but there's no spot for a micro SD card or anything. So what you're seeing is just, I think it saves within the app, but you're gonna be saving the same quality of video. So I thought it would just be best to do a screen recording for you. Now, this is supposed to have like voice control and the tilt control, which is gonna be my favorite. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the tilt control. You see that little gyroscope in the top right corner there? It turned orange, and now that right joystick's kind of wiggling around. That's when I tip the phone, the drone will fly in that direction. And I prefer to fly these guys with that tilt mode on now. So we should hit the little arrow in the bottom left corner. Well, trying to give you guys something to look at because this camera is at a fixed angle and it's kind of down more than I would like on a toy drone. See, on a toy drone like this, I think mostly you're going to be flying inside. And when you're flying inside, you want it to look mostly level, at least in my opinion. You could fly this outside, but you have to wait till there's no wind at all. And you'd want to fly it a little bit higher than this, maybe. Well, I'm trying to fly up there, Abby, so Abby's giving me the signal to come down.
You're really high.
But if I go down, all anyone sees is more bricks. I was trying to get the mantle in there.
Okay.
So let's go back up. I know it's not good for your perspective or anything, but at least there's more to look at up there. Got the fish and the birds, right? I'm having to scrape the ceiling just about to get that shot for you guys, so. All right, I think that these phone-flown drones, they're either a home run or they're just not quite worth it. I mean, this isn't bad. It is JJRC, but I'm not sure if I would put it in the home run category. It's flying well, and I do like, you know, flying it around. Moving. Oh, there's our box of Cheez-Its, Abby. Whoa! I almost crashed into my face because I saw the Cheez-Its.
It's just like really cropped in.
It really is, yeah. I mean, I see the Cheez-Its and the tissues.
I'll never understand why they make inside drones cropped lenses.
Exactly, yes. You know, I think this is kind of discontinued on a couple websites. They're probably phasing it out, but we're kind of running low on little indoor drones. Do you guys have any recommendations you'd like to see on the channel? If so, leave them in the comment section below, because we're going to have a little bit more cold weather coming, and we need to take a look at some more little indoor stuff. I really like that Emax Tiny Hawk. Got more batteries on the way. If you guys missed that video, you should check it out. Alright, let's see if we can throw a flip in here really quickly if we have that. Yeah, right here. So we turn the gyro off, hit the flip button, pick a direction. There we go. Capable, but the gyro's off, Nathan? No. Woo, I got lucky there.
You forgot how to fly it with that gyro. You start tilting it. Wow.
Ooh, I thought
I'm sure
still
that
had...
shelf has some scratches on it now.
Yeah, maybe.
What's with you scratching stuff lately?
It's these still control drones. Now this does have, let's do the microphone thing. Let's see if it'll work.
Oh, geez.
Fly forward.
Just say forward.
Forward.
Doesn't it?
Oh, no!
That's not forward, that was sideways.
So when I turned the microphone on, Chinese came up. I think you have to know Chinese to fly this with the voice control. Well, that didn't go so well. I need to learn Chinese before I can do the voice control. So let's just fly this and hover around a little bit more. So what happened was it did the auto takeoff. It did hit the ceiling because that what is that, like, I don't know, how is that, 8 feet or something?
A little over 8 feet, yeah.
And it just smacked into the ceiling and the prop flew off, and then it didn't have lift, so it came crashing down. So one more try. Hey, I'll give you guys a guess right now. Pause the video. If you haven't left a comment yet, or you can add to your comment, do you think I'm going to say this is one to buy or a pass? It's a thinker. Let's try this one more time. Okay, so I do like the gyro mode. I'm going to leave that on, and let's do an auto takeoff again.
Where's it going? Oh my gosh!
No. Okay, we're done.
Scary.
I don't like stucco, but I do like the ceiling. Okay, not the worst drone I've ever flown, but this is not something I could just confidently recommend to you guys. If you have one of these lying around and you just haven't flown it yet, get it out and fly it. It does fly, but there's other drones out there that you should be spending your money on. This one is a pass. I liked the lights, the red on the back, the white on the front. It looked good. It's not a horrible, horrible drone, but I think there's just better stuff out there, and we have that stuff all over our channel.
Oh, don't forget, Nathan. Put that in your case.
Oh yeah, good. You're right. I almost forgot. Actually, it needs to cool off. That's pretty warm. It's almost hot. Might melt the case. We'll wait a minute or two. That's a pass. Did you get it right? If you got it right, you win nothing. Oh, we're going stir crazy. Well, there you have it. If you want to check out this drone, we'll have a link in the description box below. It is fair game. I mean, maybe there's someone out there that's just been dying to get this drone, and they know it'll at least fly now.
Yeah, it'll be on our eBay store in a couple days.
Yes, it will. Yes.
There you go.
I need to list a few other things. Thank you guys so much for buying this stuff. You've almost bought me out. I mean, I think I've got a couple hats on there still, which, yes, the price is too high. I get it. It's way too much for a hat, but a few of you have bought it, and I thank you very much for that support. I'm trying to figure out maybe a cheaper way to ship it or something. eBay fees and PayPal fees. But we do have a few more hats on there, and I just need to list a few more things on the eBay store because you guys have been supporting us there. I thank you very, very much for that. There are still a few things on there, but maybe just for a specific person. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.